Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious Mexican style shredded beef. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, I'm going to begin by using my pressure cooker. Of course, if you don't have one, you can always use a slow cooker. It's going to be the same steps and the same ingredients. So today we're going to be adding 5 Roma tomatoes, 1 whole onion, 2 chile poblanos, and 2 Anaheim peppers or bell peppers. Everything just chop it into small pieces. Today we're going to add 6 minced garlic cloves, 7 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, 1 cup of water, 3 pounds of chuck roast. Okay, we're going to season with 1 tablespoon of black pepper and salt. We're going to close it. Pressure cook on high for 1 hour. Okay, so after 1 hour, we're going to release all of the steam from our pressure cooker. Okay, and once it's all been released, we're going to open it. And let me tell you, that smells delicious. And now we're just going to remove our meat. And the meat should be nice and tender. So now we're just going to get 1 cup of the broth and the vegetables. I'm going to be blending it. Okay, so as we have that, we're going to reserve it. Okay, so now we're just going to remove all of the vegetables because we're going to be adding it back to our meat. Okay, so once we have that, set it to the side. And now we can get ready to shred our meat. Okay, once we have shredded our meat, now we can get ready to put it all together. Okay, to our pan over high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to throw in our meat. Okay, so now we're just going to cook our meat for about 3 minutes. Okay, and after 3 minutes, we're going to add our vegetables along with our mixture. Going to mix it all together. And we're just going to give it about 3 more minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we have our delicious shredded beef ready. So here you can taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But for me, this is always perfect. So now we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and today I'm just going to serve it with a side of rice and beans. But of course, you can make it in flautas, tostadas, burritos, however you want to serve it. Serve with some pico de gallo, red salsa, and of course, some flour tortillas. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. Like I said, if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can always do it in the crock pot. Of course, you know it's going to take a lot longer, but it's honestly going to be super delicious. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Oops. So simple, yet so flavorful, so juicy, tender, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious Mexican style shredded beef. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.